Hello and welcome back. In this video, I am going to discuss who local SEO is for and why local SEO is important. In the previous video, you understand about what is local SEO, about introduction to local SEO. In this video, you will learn local SEO, who, for, who only the person who can use the local SEO. So let me first, brick and mortar business like shop, restaurant, salon and other business, we can use local SEO. Okay, because in this business, shop, restaurants, salons, other business, people will go in the footfall. That means they will visit your store and the location and purchase product. So for these reasons, brick and mortar business is eligible for local SEO, and we can grow using we can grow this business using local SEO. Then service-based business, there has a 40,000 service, contractor, plumbers, lawyers, other professional. So there is a various types of service business. Then we can grow in local SEO. So if you have any service business like in a local area, then you can apply a local SEO that will help you to grow your business. Then multi-location business, if you have a chains business, franchise business, you have a service in various cities in the same company, then you can apply local SEO for your businesses. Then local non-profit organization, charities, community groups, event organizer, you can use local SEO to find out best charities, community group, event organizer. And health care provider, if you are a dentist, doctor, therapist, then you can apply local SEO and you can grow your businesses. So hopefully you understand who can use local SEO for your business. Then why local SEO is important? You should know why local SEO is important. Increase visibility. When people search on the map, it will show on the search result. That means localized search result help you to show you that increase your visibility. Okay, then more qualified leads, the person who already ready to purchase, he will search and you will get high quality leads. That's why local SEO is important for more qualified leads. Competitive advantage, if you get outrank about your competitor, then you will get extra advantage, more qualified customer, more quality leads. Then trust and credibility, people will searches, local pack, Google map result, they will watch your reviews and understand about your business. That will help to get a more quality lead. Okay, then mobile search optimization, increase mobile searches visibility on mobile devices also. So these are the main important for local SEO. So if you want to attract new customer, then on your local area, service business, e-commerce business, if you have e-commerce store, shopping business, restaurant business, dentist business, you can attract new customer using local SEO. So in this video you understand who local SEO is for you, why local SEO is important. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm invited to you to watch the next video. This is a complete playlist of local SEO that will help you to understand local SEO, how work, and you learn completely practical local SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video.